Welcome to ExamPadi. Today, we will learn something significant that happens in our bodies every time we eat: digestion. Digestion is the process by which our body breaks down food into smaller pieces to be absorbed and used for energy, growth, and repair. Let's take a look at the process at which digestion takes place. Digestion begins in the mouth, where food is broken down mechanically by teeth and chemically by enzymes in the saliva. The enzyme amylase breaks down carbohydrates into simpler sugars. Once the food is chewed and mixed with saliva, it is swallowed and travels down the esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. In the stomach, the food is mixed with digestive juices, including hydrochloric acid and enzymes. The stomach muscles then churn and mix the food, breaking it into a liquid called chyme. Proteins are broken down into amino acids by enzymes in the stomach. The chyme then moves into the small intestine, further broken down by enzymes produced by the pancreas and bile, which is produced by the liver. The small intestine is lined with villi and microvilli, which increases the surface area for the absorption of nutrients. Undigested food, water, and electrolytes pass through the small intestine and into the large intestine, where water is absorbed and feces are formed. The feces are stored in the rectum and are eliminated through the anus. Digestion is a complex process that our body goes through every time we eat food. By taking care of the digestive system, we can ensure we are getting the nutrients we need to stay healthy and strong. Thank you for learning about digestion with me. Subscribe to ExamPadi for more captivating videos. Goodbye.